In this video, I'm going to show you how you can freeze your cakes so that they stay the freshest. And yes, it is safe to freeze your cakes. You can freeze your cakes for up to 3 months, and I promise you it will not affect the texture. Here is what you do. First, bake your cake and allow it to cool down completely. Next, you are going to wrap it up nice and tight with cling film. You want to make sure that you press out any air and seal it properly. I would recommend that you double wrap it with cling film. You want to make sure that your entire cake is properly covered and there is no exposed cake. If you have exposed cake when you freeze it, it may suffer from freezer burn and that will affect the texture. So as you can see, nice and tightly wrapped, no air bubbles in between. Step 2, get some tin foil, aluminium foil, and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to wrap the entire cake with aluminium foil. You may be wondering, why would anyone freeze their cakes? Well, freezing your cake saves you time. It means that you can bake your cake well in advance of the day that you want to decorate, saving you time and effort. So next we're going to wrap up the cake in some aluminium foil, making sure it's nicely covered. And then we're going to pop the cake into a freezer bag. You can also pop it into a plastic bag. I haven't shown you in this video, but if you are freezing different flavors or different cakes at different times, be sure to write on the freezer bag the type of cake, the flavor of cake, and the date that you froze it, so that you can keep track of what's in each bag and how long it's good to leave the cake in. All you got to do now is pop it on your freezer nice and flat, making sure that there's nothing pushing on your cake. Otherwise, something will happen, which I will show you later on. So when you come to use your cake, take it out of the freezer and allow it to thaw. You can thaw overnight in your fridge, or you can thaw at room temperature for about 8 hours. And doing this allows for your cakes to be soft enough for when you want to decorate, and also all the moisture from the defrosting process will collect on your cling film and the aluminum foil and not on your cake, so you'll not get soggy cakes. And actually my preference is to always freeze my cake, because frozen cakes I think taste better and it saves me time. So there's a cake that I've frozen. Actually all those cakes have been frozen and allowed to thaw, and I'm just unwrapping the process. Now remember, when I said when you are storing it in the fridge, make sure it's on a nice flat surface and nothing indenting it, because you can see in this cake something was pushing against the cake as it froze and it has made a dent, which caused me a lot of headache because now my cakes weren't even. So that is just something to note for you when you are freezing your cake. So now you know how to prep and freeze your cake safely. You can do this process so you can bake your cakes well in advance, saving you time and effort. Happy baking and see you next time.